Welcome to Easy Math TV. By request, we're going to do an example of a savings annuity where we're solving for what the monthly payment or the regular payment needs to be in order to reach a future financial goal. So this question has to do with a college savings plan. A woman wants to set up a 529 college savings plan for her granddaughter. How much would she need to deposit each year if she starts with $8,000 and wants to have $75,000 in 17 years at an average return of 7.6%? So in this case, since she's making deposits once a year. So basically, instead of K being 12, K is only going to equal 1 in this case. And the time in years is 17. And the interest rate is 7.6%. So we go ahead and enter those in columns A, B, and C. And I'm leaving columns D and E alone again because remember those are formulas that we've already pre-built in. So the total number of payment periods is 17 and the periodic interest rate is 0.076. And that's because the periodic interest rate is the same as the interest rate since it's annual. We don't know what the regular payment is going to be, so I'm going to just delete that here and leave it blank. Leave anything that you're solving for, we're going to leave blank for now. The present value is whatever she starts with. So this says she's starting with $8,000. Sometimes the problem doesn't say what you're starting with, so you can assume that you're starting at 0 if the problem does not state it. So we're starting with $8,000. We also don't know what the future value is. Oh, actually we do. Sorry. We know that the future value needs to be $75,000. All right. So we filled in everything that we know up here in row 4. That's the beauty of this spreadsheet, the way it's set up, is that anything that we're providing to the problem gets placed in one of these gold colored cells. Everything else is an automatic calculation, and we should not touch those at all. So according to my spreadsheet, the regular payment, which goes under column F, is going to be $1,450.35. Is the annual payment. Notice that the total of all of the payments is still showing as 0. And the reason why that's happening is because I have not copied the regular payment that we just calculated up into the gold cell. Anything that any additional information that we want from down here in row 7, we need to make sure that everything up here that's in gold is filled in based on what our calculations have been up to this point. So we know that the regular payment is correct now that we've calculated that. So we can put that up here in row 4. I know the problem didn't specifically ask for what the total of all the payments is, but we're going to just figure that out anyway, just for the sake of having it done. So I put it in row 4 up here, and now we have the total of all of the payments has been calculated. But it's still not showing up as a dollar amount, so I'm going to actually change that to currency so that will be formatted as currency, just like all the other cells have been formatted as currency. So just in addition to knowing that our annual payment is $1,450.35, we can say the total of all payments is $24,655.95. So this person is going to get a pretty good bang for their buck They're going to only have to pay out of their own pocket $24,655.95, and that's over 17 years. But they're going to get a return of $75,000 approximately, assuming that their average annual return is, in fact, 7.6%. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Please share these videos with other people if you think that they might find them helpful in their financial math or applied math classes. Thank you very much.